My nose is a little bit brown, but I don't think this looks really nice. And it's a $1 life hack. Just look how pretty it is! Hello guys, Glammedblondie here. Let me look a little bit on my phone. Okay. Today we are gonna do a makeup with only TikTok hacks that I've learned yesterday. So I'm super curious how this will turn out. And I'm sure you are too. So let's go to the business. I'm applying my face cream now. This is not a hack. So we're gonna do the first hack that I learned yesterday. I will blend this foundation with a sponge that was in my fridge. So let's go. So let's blend this. This is really a good hack because the sponge is staying in the fridge, it's getting so cold, and with that temperature in it, it's just making the foundation look so nice, and it makes it look so beautiful. And so, I mean, just look at the foundation now that I'm blending it, how nice it starts to look. It's like going in the skin much more better, I don't know. And it's also so relaxing to do it when it's cold. You feel like you're massaging your face right now. Massaging. I always put a little bit on my lips too. So since I started to do this, I mean from yesterday when I discovered this hack, I swear I will do it every time I will do my foundation, because first it is super relaxing, and the second thing, it really helps your skin to look better. I mean 10 times better. It's looking like, I don't know, it's your skin here. And to be sincere with you, it makes me feel like I massage my face, and to be honest with you, it gives me energy because of this coldness. Just look how pretty it is, right? Look how pretty is this. I mean, I'm dying right now. I can't believe this hack changes so much in your skin. Just look at this. I mean, it's a really good hack and you need to try this. Okay, the second hack that I just discovered is putting some glue on your eyebrows. And it looks better than soap brow. So let's try it. Let's take some glue and let's distribute it. And you need to do it fast because it's drying really fast. And if you wanna like look 10 times better, you need to be fast because you need to arrange it as you want it. But I swear it's 10 times better than soap brows. And it's also like, it's much more resistant. So these are the brows. I will let the glue do its thing right now. So if you are going to a club, or I don't know, you just have a night out with friends and you are going to sweat or things like this, I mean normal things, this won't go anywhere. But soap brow will. So do this. It's 10 times better than soap brow. So the third hack that I saw is to put this here, like this, and to bronze your nose. So we're gonna do that right now. Let's take some bronzer and let's bronze the nose. I look so strange right now. I look like I almost have no nose right now, but it's okay. Just a little bit more. I'm curious to see how this will look in the end. Okay, let's take this out. I don't know what to say, but I don't think this looks really nice. But let's try to make it work, because we need to make it work. Okay, it looks okay. I mean, it's bronzed. My nose is a little bit brown, but it's okay. It works. It made something. Let me put a little bit of highlighter here just to have highlighted nose. Now it's better. Okay, let's go to the next step. We're gonna bronze the face in like a free. Let me show you. I'll do this. The hack I saw, it was with cream bronzer, but I see that it works with powder bronzer as well. So now that we did this, let me blend it a little bit more. I don't want us to look like very strange. I want us to look beautiful. So, okay, we're done with this one. For highlighter, I don't really have a hack, but we're gonna put a little bit here. So the next hack will be with this thing. I know we normally use this thing only for our eyelashes, but today I will show you another good technique to get your eyeshadow look so pretty in little than 5 minutes. So we're gonna put this here, and now we're gonna do this. What we're gonna do is here. Now from here we were gonna do a line, and we're gonna connect these two. Now we're gonna blend this a little bit. Now we're gonna put some eyeshadow here. Okay, this starts to look cute now. So this is what we did with this thing. I know all the girls are using this for eyelashes, but today we are gonna use it for this thing too. I mean, we already used it. So the next hack is by putting some translucent powder into this, and it will make your eyelashes look longer. So let's go. Let's see. I can say that they are clumping much more better than before, and for this time I did not use the lash curler, and they are looking like I used, so it's really making something here. Okay, they look much more longer than they would look without this hack and without an eyelash curler, so try this one too. So another hack will be this one, to stick the eyelash here, and when you have that blank spot you need to come with an eyeliner and make it disappear, and it will give you like that kind of look. So let me put the other eyelash on. Now for the lips, you already know I will use this. This is really a life hack for me and it's a $1 life hack. So now we're gonna put some lipstick, and here I wanna take it a little bit more down because I wanna make the lips look more plump. Okay, now good. So this is the makeup, guys, and it's only with TikTok makeup hacks. And also let me in the comments if you wanna see much more videos like this one, because I love to make them. And also let me know if you already knew these hacks or you just like found them today here. So give us a like, subscribe and share it to your friends, and bye bye. Kisses!